Good morning, guys. Today is another nail day. I just got ready to head out and I'm so excited to update you guys. I haven't been vlogging for like 2 weeks now and there's a lot of things that happened in those 2 weeks. First, one of my 2023 goals was to move out and I just signed a lease for an apartment, so I'm so excited to move out next month. Also, I signed a lease for a salon space. This was crazy because it all happened in like the span of 5 days, the apartment and the salon. And then I was busy running around, signing the lease, meeting with contractors and all that. I couldn't really show the process because I was so busy doing it and I had a lot to stress about. Now I can show you guys the space. We have a lot of things to fix. We're gonna change the floors, the walls, take out some furniture, install new ones. I'll talk more about it soon because I have to leave. Yesterday, I stopped by ZILLABEAU to pick up some Give Me base gels. I always run out of those. I don't know, I use them so quickly because a lot of people get Gel X and that's what I use for Gel X. They gave me this apron, so I'll be using that today. Also on Amazon, I got like model gel and I've seen people use this for like 3D gel. I stocked up on these. I got a total of 6. Done for the day. I have just my eye makeup as usual because today is nail day. I am going out after nail day to go eat dinner. So I packed all of the rest of my makeup in this cute little bag. Oh my god, isn't this so freaking cute? It is a Saturday and I'm driving, but it's snowing a lot actually, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be really safe to drive. It is snowing a lot and I don't know when it's gonna stop. Right now I'm just picking out my colors for the day. So my first client, she's a regular, and for the first time she was really specific with what she wanted, so she drew it out. I kind of have an idea of what she wants, so I'm gonna draw it out in my own way and so that it's easier to understand for me. One of my friends sent me this glitter. I think it's like a collab with True Beauty, like the webtoon and the drama, and apparently him and someone else is selling this on Amazon, so he sent it to me and oh my god, it's so pretty. My eyes are so sparkly. Good morning, guys. Currently I'm on the floor because I received some packages in the mail. Some of them are for my new apartment. I just ordered a bunch of things on AliExpress because I knew that it was going to take a long time to come. I want to show you this utensil set that I got. It's so pretty. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I got a whole set. I'm just getting ready to head out to the city. I'm gonna pick up some jewelry from my friend's brand. I'm having like a little photo shoot for my nail website that's going to be opening sometime end of this month or next month, and I just wanted a couple of original photos. You know, I didn't want to take anyone else's photos and use it on my website, so I just decided to plan out a photo shoot with a photographer that I knew. I got a bunch of skincare from Be Plain and I'm gonna be trying them out. I'm gonna use the toner first. I also have to clean up my room today because it is currently a mess. I'm gonna use their ampoule, the moisturizer. Good morning, guys. I just got ready off camera. I did half of my makeup, so when I wear a mask I look pretty normal. I forgot to mention that today is a nail day and I'm not late, but I just want to get there a little bit earlier just in case I don't find parking in time. Finding parking took so long and I was late and I was rushing, and yeah, for some reason I'm just a little slower today, so I haven't been able to vlog much today. But my first client got me this tart. She says it's from Queens. Thank you so much. It looks so like fancy. Thank you. Wow, this is so good. Tastes like vanilla-y. Finished. Now I'm gonna head back home, and when I get back home, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm so tired. I just did my skincare and got ready to sleep, and that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for a moving vlog and the opening of my salon. Bye!